This is a tutorial on how to get free games on the iPod. You just open this up, go to Cydia, open it up, go to Manage, Sources, and add this into your you go to edit and add and put this cydia.iphonecake.com. Add this right there. This is I say this is better than Installius. Open the thing, open this up, go to iPhone cake, this right here, and then scroll down and it's gonna say your iOS version right there. And alright, after you install it, respring it, open the App Store up. You don't have to open it, but I'm gonna show you that this is free.
Say my name, nigga, say my name. $100 million nigga, say my name. All my shit dope. All my shit dope.
Alright, all these are your pay money. And then you just, there's gonna be you're gonna open it up and there's gonna be something called iPhone cake, and you are gonna know that this is definitely gonna cost money. It cost no, never mind, I don't want to download this one. Like right here, like Angry Birds, the real version, the full version. No. The full version, it's 99 cents, but you go to download, it doesn't cost anything. You just go to a link. Oh, just I was gonna show you, but it was file pup and you had to wait like 30 seconds, but I didn't want to wait. Alright, you just go all the way down, you go to download. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. My AirPods, I don't know why it's being retarded right now. It never does this. Alright, never mind. Alright, you just click download. You just put download, and there's gonna be a downloading section like right there. And then after that, you're supposed to go to download it, and then just put like install right there. And then you could just back out, and your games are gonna be like right there, or like right there, like anywhere where it has a free space. Alright.